Hello, everyone. Guess who it is? Yes, it's Kateri. I just wanted to do a very quick video to let everyone know that tomorrow, which will be Friday, November the 8th, at 12 Eastern Standard Time, guess who's going to be live? Yep. And I think we're going to be doing some crafting, and I may sell a couple of things, not a lot, just a few. And so the girls are looking forward to it, and this will be the first time that I have been able to do a live since my last live, which was several months ago. With the girls. So I hope we get to have fun. I hope everyone can join us tomorrow. And yeah, I'll see what we're all going to be up to. And see if we have anything new. And just kind of chat and have a good time with everybody. So it's going to be very cold here tomorrow. But it's going to be warm in here. So I hope to see everyone tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to check us out tomorrow. Bye-bye.